Samsung is gearing up to unveil its next-generation tablet lineup, the highly anticipated Galaxy Tab S11 and Tab S11 Ultra. With high-resolution renders and detailed specs now surfacing, excitement is building fast. And yes, we finally have pricing details for the US market. Galaxy Tab S11 and Tab S11 Ultra pricing revealed. According to YTech, Samsung's new tablets will come with premium price tags. Galaxy Tab S11, Wi-Fi, 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage. 860GB Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, Wi-Fi, .12GB plus 256GB, 1212GB plus 512GB, 1416GB plus 1TB, 1700. While only Wi-Fi models have been confirmed, 5G variants are expected to follow soon, likely priced close to their Wi-Fi counterparts. What's new in the Galaxy Tab S11 series? Both tablets are set to deliver serious upgrades in performance, display, and battery life. Feature Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra display, 11-inch, AMOLED 14.6-inch AMOLED processor, MediaTek Dimensity, 9400 MediaTek Dimensity, 9400 RAM and storage 12GB, plus 256GB UP to 16GB, plus 1TB battery, AN 400 mAh 11, 600 mAh charging 45W. Fast charging 45W, fast charging connectivity Wi-Fi, 5G expected, Wi-Fi 7, 5G expected. Display and design. The Tab S11 Ultra steals the spotlight with its massive 14.6-inch AMOLED display, perfect for creatives and multitaskers. The standard Tab S11 offers a more compact 11-inch AMOLED panel, ideal for everyday use. Performance and battery powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 chipset, both tablets promise smooth multitasking and gaming. The Ultra's 11600 mAh battery ensures all-day power, while the Tab S11's 8400 mAh cell is no slouch either. Both support 45W fast charging, keeping downtime minimal. Connectivity and extras. The Ultra model will feature Wi-Fi 7, offering blazing fast internet speeds. The standard Tab S11 may skip this feature, but both are expected to support 5G variants. Post-launch. Should you buy? If you're looking for a powerhouse tablet with top-tier specs, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most advanced Android tablets of 2025. For those who want premium performance without breaking the bank, the Tab S11 offers solid value.